What is the status of Bitcoin, Harmony, ONE, and Ravencoin? How will the coming days affect the price action of cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin is currently trading at $42,759, following Friday's low of $40,683 due to China's latest crypto ban. The majority of cryptocurrencies, led by Bitcoin, are down over the last 7 days, except for a few tokens such as Tezos, XTZ, plus 10.10%, Celo, plus 31.94%, and Celer Network, Celo, plus 41.54%, which was still up at the time of publication. In the aftermath of Friday's decline, the outlook for Bitcoin price remains mixed. According to some analysts, the Bitcoin price may face additional downside risks, with $36,000 to $38,000 serving as the bull's cutoff point. Ulrich K. Licky, executive director at crypto hedge fund ARK36, believes that the China FUD will quickly fade away, as it has in the past, stating that the markets react with a price decline, each time the effect is smaller and more transient. It's worth noting that, since 2009, China and Hong Kong have banned or created FUD in the cryptocurrency space on 19 separate occasions. What is the status of Bitcoin, Harmony, ONE, and Ravencoin? Trading across the market remains subdued as Bitcoin's price remains trapped below the $45,600 psychological level. However, let us consider the following. Compatibility, ONE. Harmony is a proof-of-stake blockchain that leverages sharding to deliver lightning-fast blocks with a high degree of finality. In 2019, the blockchain went live, and staking began in 2020. Harmony, the Layer 1 blockchain, announced a $300 million ecosystem fund in early September to support startups developing applications and protocols. We are announcing our $300 million ecosystem fund to accelerate 10,000 builders, the statement reads. The Harmony protocol ecosystem has been expanding at a breakneck pace, and we intend to fund 10,000 additional cryptocurrency founders, builders, and creatives. Harmony, ONE, maintained its position as one of the day's top gainers, trading at $0.159 at press time. Ravencoin, RVN. Ravencoin was discovered in 2018 and is a Bitcoin code fork that enables the creation of digital assets and tokens by anyone. Ravencoin creates tokens that represent additional real-world assets, such as virtual goods, stock, rewards, and gold, from one party to another. Ravencoin announced an important milestone in this regard, stating that 30,358 digital assets have been created thus far using the Ravencoin protocol. Ravencoin is still one of the day's best performers, trading at $0.104 at press time. How will the coming days affect the price action of cryptocurrencies? Analysts anticipate volatility to remain elevated in the face of regulatory headwinds, but see a bullish conclusion to recent FUD. According to Michael Celer, CEO of MicroStrategy, nothing has generated more wealth in the last decade than technologies banned in China. According to Craig Earlham, senior markets analyst at Oanda, China's anti-cryptocurrency stance is not new, but the latest clarification implies that those involved face prosecution. China's actions haven't significantly slowed crypto's rise in the past, so I wouldn't be surprised to see it rebound once more. When the initial ban announcement in September 2017 sent Bitcoin plunging, the leading asset not only recovered to its pre-ban levels within weeks, but also went on to set a new all-time high of $20,000 less than 3 months later. Additionally, crypto influencer Lark Davis noted that the final quarters of 2013 and 2017 saw rallies of more than 300% as previous bull cycles bloomed, and he speculated on how a possible approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund in the United States could send prices soaring again in the fourth quarter of 2021. The US dollar's strength is evident, with the US dollar currency index, DXY, approaching 94 on September 24, creating a classic headwind for Bitcoin. Should the status quo begin to shift, the impetus for BTC to perform significantly better is thus evident. While Bitcoin traders await a rebirth in October, altcoins are expected to join the party as they follow Bitcoin's lead in the crypto markets. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.